So today we are going to start work in Microsoft Excel or MS Excel. This white area is known as the spreadsheet, and there are multiple sheets in a book. So this whole is a workbook, like it is written here, book 1. These are the columns and these are the rows. The verticals are the columns and the horizontal are the rows. Columns have letters and the rows have numbers, and the intersection of a row and column makes a cell, and when you will click on any cell it becomes active and you can enter the data. So there is a practical in your book, unit number 6, that is make this spreadsheet as a function. Use a function to add up the total number of students, use the formula, and plus there is make a chart to show the data. So this is the data. First of all, we will write down the data as I have written the data. Now the second thing is use a function to add up the total. Now for example, in this column, for adding the data we will use the sum function. So the first thing is every formula starts with an equal sign. So first of all we will write an equal sign, then we will write down sum, bracket start. Now which is the first number that we are going to add is B3. We will use the cell reference. 6 is the number, so 6 is in B and 3. So as you can check it here that it is B3. Now we will add a colon and then we will add all the numbers like this and close the bracket, press the enter key. Now it's the total is 29. We have done two things. Now the third thing is we will calculate the percentage. So for calculating the percentage, for example in this column I will calculate the percentage. I will write down equal sign and then I will write down the number of the cell reference, that is B3 divided by, so what was the total? Total is 29 and multiply by 100, as this is the function, this is the formula to calculate the percentage, and we will press the enter key. Now we will just like this, you will at this end of the cell, there is, when you will move your cursor it will make a plus sign. Now just drag the cells till I is TB5 and automatically it will fill the values. Now the fourth thing is we will insert a chart. So for inserting the chart we will just select the data and then we will click on the insert column, and here you can check any type of columns. So if you want to change the chart type, you will click here change chart type. For example, I want a pie chart, so I will click here and I will select this. So and now when you will have a pie chart, when you will click on move the cursor to any part, it will show you the percentage of that part, like this series 1 point cola 6 value is 6 and 21%. So you can change the chart type also as per your own choice. So till here is your practical. It's not necessary to use pie chart, bar chart or column chart. You can use chart up to your own choice, but the main thing is you will calculate the total and you have to calculate the percentage of all the drinks.